Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do a coaster using one of the wood pieces that you see here. I got these from dollar store, Dollarama actually. So I got 4 of them, so I'll show you exactly what to do. And I'm also going to be using a glue gun with some glue sticks as well. So let's get started, and if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get a video every week. So then let's get started. So there you go. This is one of them, and this is how it looks, all 4 of them. So I hope you like it, and it's very sturdy, very nice, and it actually has a really nice wood look to it. So if you want, you can sand away some of the chunky glue pieces that you might have. So if you are liking this video, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me, and don't forget to check out my Redbubble shop as well. The link is in the description box below. And now I put some next videos for you to check out next for the other coasters that I've made as well. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every week, and if you have any questions, comments, and if you have any requests, let me know in the comments below. I'll definitely try to do it for you. So then I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.